Georgia Tech offers a rich experience through vibrant, diverse spaces that showcase a wide range of talent and perspectives. The course structure prepares students for collaborative work across the complex demands of the urban field, from design studios and the fundamentals of urban theory, to the history of urban form, to the interdisciplinary offerings at the intersection of practice, urban policy, real estate, and electives across the School of City and Regional Planning, Architecture, and others where students can explore their individual interests. Learning extends beyond the classroom. Students gain hands-on experience by engaging with cities, communities, and other local stakeholders to tackle the problems of the urban design practice and learn to translate their priorities into design principles and strategies. Through lectures and workshops led by emerging professionals in our field, the Redesigning Cities series led by Professor Ellen Denham-Jones, career fairs, as well as networking and professional exposure events, students build a strong professional network that continues to yield mentorship and career mobility long after graduation. A culture of excellence and visibility ensures student work reaches juries, peers, and industry leaders. Programs regularly showcase talent through competitions and awards, like the ULI Hines competition, where Georgia Tech students have received numerous recognitions, including winning teams, finalists, and honorable mentions over the past years. Students receive recognition for outstanding studio design work through awards and showcases. They also secure competitive fellowships with different institutions that facilitate creative exchange of ideas on today's pressing challenges with students from other schools and professional leaders. These experiences give students real momentum, provide funding, mentorship, and a public platform to share their work, expand their professional network, and offer real-world testing grounds, often resulting in stronger portfolios, conference invitations, internship opportunities, publications, and post-graduation opportunities. This 3-semester program at Georgia Tech equips graduates to thrive in collaborative environments and meet the demands of contemporary urban design practice, bridging theory, research, and applied practice so graduates become deeply skilled professionals ready to shape cities with purpose.